Previously on Kung Fu Maintenance, I showed cleaning out the fireplace or the chimney flue and cleaning all the creosote out of there, and a few other videos on fireplace maintenance. Today I didn't want to miss this. I missed this. This is a place that if you don't close this off, a lot of heat or conditioned air can go up that space and can be a source of a lot of energy loss. So I'm going to close the flap now until we're ready to use it. This little deal here. Uh-oh. I think I got something out of the way here. There we go. Hold it down, and then it just anchors under right here. When you want to lift it up, you just push it up through the hole, and there it is. And you would actually pull it forward a little bit to anchor it. You could see the keyed slot, and then you would pull it towards you to anchor it, push it forwards and up to open the flue. Closing it. There we go. Now it's anchored. Just I like using a paper towel or something when I'm opening it because all that stuff gets on the fireplace. So this is something you'll want to close off between uses. Once your fire's done and all the smoke has gone up, you want to close this off so that you don't lose, the heat that's in your dwelling or conditioned air going through there. This can be a source of energy loss. And you'll want to make sure that it's anchored under the deal so that it doesn't, if you live in like a windy area, the wind doesn't go down the chimney and blow it open. Be on the lookout for the fireplace chimney cleaning video. Hopefully these videos help you keep your fireplace operating like it should. Keep things nice, safe, cozy, and clean. At least keep things safer. Still, it's a fireplace. It's still dangerous. Fire, it's dangerous. But keep things nice and cozy.